Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today's video is going to feature some more hair transformations. So if you are looking for inspiring hairstyle ideas, you've definitely come to the right place. Now, if you do feel inspired by any of the hairstyles featured within today's video, do me a favor, give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Now, without further ado, let's get into today's hair transformations. So today we are going to be taking a look at some more spring and summer hairstyle ideas. We start off with someone who has shoulder length hair. She's got some grown out color here as well. So it looks like she's going to be going with a much shorter bob haircut. So the stylist begins to cut the hair with the razor. Ooh, oh wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. So for our next transformation, looks like she also wants to get a bob. Now her hair is very long, I'd say about waist length. The hair is placed in two ponytails. The stylist cuts the hair. Nice texture for this bob. Definitely a traditional style bob. He does a blowout here. She's got the bottleneck bangs going there in the front. Nice blunt ends. And as you guys can see here, you do have a little bit of color sprinkled in, a little bit of highlights. Beautiful precision cutting for this one. So there is the before, nice long waist length hair, and then she moves into this super cute, stylish bob makeover. Absolutely gorgeous the way that it came out. It does feature the center part down the middle, and then again you can see the nod to the highlights that she has sprinkled in, along with the bottleneck style bangs. Such a cute hairstyle for the spring and summer season. So next up, we have another interesting way to do a haircut. So you can tell here that the stylist is doing a very unique shape here. Looks kind of like the bowl shape. Like a nice, well-rounded bob, beautiful bowl-shaped style bob cuts, bangs in the front. Very nice. I adore the way that this frames her face. It really just highlights her cheekbones and makes them pop. Such a cute style. So here we have someone, looks like she is going to be getting some color. Oh, so she did cut the hair into a bob. Oh, wow. The color is gorgeous. It's like a really rich, pretty chocolate brown, which is definitely trending right now. She also has the bangs going there in the front to just frame up the cut overall. How to style short, natural, curly, wavy hair. So I do have a full video on curly haircuts if you guys want to see that. Short curly cuts are very in right now. We're seeing a lot of pixies, wavy styles, shaggy cuts. So there's definitely, if you have curly hair and you want to go short, there are so many options that you can try out. So the stylist does diffuse the hair here. And this is kind of like a cute, curly pixie cut. She's got the nice waved sides going there, kind of giving us like that mohawk pixie vibe. Very nice curls going there at the top and through the back. So here is another curly haircut idea that you can play around with. So she's got this gorgeous salt and pepper hair here. It's like she goes shorter, doing more of a bob. So we're seeing tons of curly bob styles right now, as well as curly pixie cuts. Like I said, there's a lot of options. Be sure to check out that curly hairstyle video if you want to see more. So he cuts the hair and then goes ahead and defines it. And I love the fact that she kept her salt and pepper hair color. Very cute. And this is another great summer style. So here we have someone, she has about mid-length hair here. She's getting some color done. Stylist is doing the brush through highlighted technique that gives you a natural sun-kissed vibe. So he's using quite a few different techniques here. Oh, this is beautiful. She did get the bangs going there. The curtain style bangs. It just kind of frame up the face, giving it more of that layered feel that's very in right now. Oh, she's going to get some extensions too. So her hair was cut into layers, but it really mixed in nicely with the extensions that he added, giving it more of like a natural appearance. The color looks absolutely breathtaking. I feel like this is the perfect shade of blonde for the summer because it's like a nice, rich, warm blonde. Just gorgeous. So there is the final look. Obviously, the extensions added a lot more fullness overall to her hair. And once again, they look so well blended into her natural strands. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed taking a look at all these cute summer and spring hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.